Hello, I'm John Self, host of CareerLIVE. After a hotter than heck summer, with a faint hint of fall in the Texas air, we are unveiling our new schedule for CareerLIVE on Thursdays. CareerLIVE is a 30-minute live stream with information and insight regarding the job market, career management, the impact of technology on recruiting, as well as potential economic threats. In each episode, we also take your career management and job search questions. We are making some changes to our schedule based on your input and viewership numbers. Now, we will begin our Thursdays at 7:30 a.m. Central Time with a steaming cup of coffee in hand for CareerLIVE Coffee on LinkedIn. At 10 a.m., CareerLIVE will be streaming on Facebook. At noon, join us on Instagram for our Lunch and Learn series with career information and your questions. CareerLIVE Tonight will air on our flagship YouTube channel at 7 p.m. Central Time at Guiding Your Career, John G. Self. Watch for the live stream alerts from each platform at the scheduled time. At 8 p.m. Central Time, join us for an hour-long stream on TikTok. Now, we have between 3,000 and 5,000 viewers on TikTok, hence the longer runtime, so we can get to as many questions as possible. Beginning Monday, September 25th at noon Central Time, your career community will be open for enrollment. We are building a community of managers and executives who are committed to the goal of sustained superior performance in their careers. Your career community is a membership plan that affords subscribers access to our current 11 career and job search courses, weekly meetups for Q&A sessions, regular job search and career management boot camp education programs, in-depth interviews on leadership and career management with business thought leaders. Our first self-perspective episode will feature T.D. Smyers, a retired Navy captain and Naval Academy grad who is a premier executive coach, helping clients to achieve their maximum potential. Members will also get access to our outplacement and career transition and executive coaching programs for substantial discounts below competitive market rates. This includes live one-on-one group coaching sessions. The cost of this membership is $49 a month. There is no minimum enrollment requirement. If you're not satisfied with the value we deliver, you can cancel at any time. And our goal is to make you never want to cancel. So join us for our new CareerLIVE schedule, and we'll see you Monday at noon Central Time to enroll in your career community.